Okay, so this video is for showing the problem with the BT door lock kit. So right now we see it here and lock it. Let's turn off the flashlights. So you can see pretty clear that there's quite a large gap. Yeah, and you see this. Whenever I ride down a bumpy road, this thing vibrates really bad. It's just super annoying. And that's that. And here, you can see pretty clear, it also has the gap. Yep. And this one also vibrates pretty bad. Oops. And this one as well, you can see when it goes down, it's like this. Huge gap. And this one doesn't vibrate that bad. And with all four of those, only this one fits pretty snag. So either there's a quality control problem or something else, I don't know. Maybe you guys can figure it out.